Is your pool area in need of a major upgrade? Well, this is the thing to look for. An upgrade in your lounge chairs will change the dynamic of your pool. Look at these beautiful loungers from Purple Leaf. They are the most relaxing upgrade I have added to my pool area this year. Stop settling for stiff, uncomfortable patio chairs. This is the upgrade your backyard has been waiting for. It is premium, lightweight aluminum frame, but super sturdy. And look at this finish, clean, modern, and weather resistant. Here, this thick cushion is breathable, and this natural beige goes with everything. It is available in 8 different colors in sets of 2 or 4, and it comes with this beautiful, sturdy, contemporary metal table. It's made with a high quality of fabric, and it is such an upgrade from these typical old chairs. Look how relaxing and beautiful this is. The fabric is 3 layers, 2 layers of textiline with a breathable sponge filling, and it is just beautiful. In any color you select, it will be a major upgrade for your home. Whether you have it poolside or just in your backyard, you will love this set of chairs. Now, these were provided for me by Purple Leaf for my honest opinion, and I couldn't be happier. My favorite part is I can wheel them around because they have built-in wheels. No dragging, no hassle, just put them wherever I want and move them based on the sunshine. It is made with a sturdy aluminum frame that will last for decades. Now, it also has quilting here on the cushion for extra comfort, and it has 5 adjustable angles for reading, lounging, relaxing, or completely resting. These hooks will secure them in the position of your choice and easy to change with just a lift of one hand with the handle provided in the back. And as you get comfortable, you can wheel them around however you want, easy to move around, and each chair is equipped with all of these special features. They come in sets of 2 and 4, and the extra table for your drinks is just a major upgrade. Look how nice and relaxed and all the different angles you can enjoy in these beautiful lounge chairs. I think this one is my favorite, the total relaxation sleeping mode. It's not just furniture, it is an experience.